Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add titles to your account on the Marble Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marble Snap game on your device, and if you're playing for the first time, then you will need to complete a few tutorial levels, after which you will be allowed to set up your account and connect it to an online account to save your progress. Once you have done all of these, you will gain access to the main menu, from which you can immediately start playing your game. Now, when you tap on the play button, you will see that there is no title underneath your username or alongside your card deck. So if you wish to add this, then you will either need to purchase from the shop by tapping on the gold bar icon at the bottom left corner. From the shop menu, you can simply look for the title bundles, within which you will gain various different other rewards as well. You can proceed with your payment method and purchase your title, or you can start playing more matches in order to gain points so that you can advance within the season pass. When you tap on the season pass menu, you will see all of your achievements so far. When you complete each of these, you will be able to claim the rewards that they offer, and among these rewards you will also find a title. Once you claim a title, you can equip this into your deck. Tap on the deck alongside the play button, and you can tap on the edit button for the deck to which you wish to add your title. You can then tap on the title menu alongside underneath your deck name, and you will see that there is no title that is added currently. Go ahead and tap on no title, and you will see all of the titles that you have unlocked. Go ahead and tap on the one that you wish to equip or add, and then tap on the equip button, and now the title will be added right away. And there you have it. That is how you can add titles onto your deck within Marble Snap. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.